Hello YouTube, Dad's Garage HD, I'm Ironhead, and today I just wanted to discuss something that happened to me, and it's been happening, but it just dawned on me. The luxury of having some protection to not cost you a whole lot of money when you're not expecting it. And so to dig deeper into that, so I'm talking about extended warranties, tire and wheel coverage, maintenance program, all the stuff that you do when you go to buy these new bikes. Now, I like having the maintenance program because you can just bring it in there. They can take care of it. Harley takes care of all of it. I don't have to get rid of the oil. Although I love doing my own service, it's best, especially for the first 6 maintenances on the bike, that they watch the bike and make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do as they planned when they built it. So I'm all for having them take care of those first maintenances. So I bought the maintenance plan on my Harley. Also bought the tire and wheel, extended warranty for another 2 years on top of the manufacturer's warranty, of course, or maybe it's 3 years. But anyway, the extended warranty for the bike. 2024 is the new bikes. I didn't know if maybe they need to work the bugs out. Maybe there's a bug that comes in after that manufacturer's warranty. I wanted to make sure, so I bought the extended warranty. The tire and wheel is really where I think that's pretty much a no gamble. And let me tell you why. The other day, I came out, and this is my 2023 Hayabusa. The other day I come out, had it on the wheel stand, flipped the wheel around to clean it, and what did I see? A nail in the center of it. Now, that's not really a big deal, right? Nail in your tire. This is North Texas. These back roads, construction, roofing, building houses, it's a pretty busy area that I live in. So it's not really that uncommon to pick up a nail, have some of these issues. But this is my 3rd tire since I bought it on the back, and my 2nd tire in the last 3 months, since August. August was the first time that I got the new tire on the back. And just the other day, this is November 4th, yesterday is when I had the other one fixed. And about 6 months ago, it was the front. So that's 3 tires. That tire and wheel coverage was an added $450 to the note. Dude, you couldn't buy the tires for that and put them on yourself. I'm talking take it to the dealer. They drop everything. They fix the tire with a brand new tire. They don't patch it. They fix a tire with a brand new tire, send you on your merry way. 1.5 hours max is what that took me at these dealers. Of course, I know these guys very well. They know me because I spend a lot of money with them. Same thing with the 2024 Road Glide. Screw in the back tire. No big deal. Went to have it fixed at Harley. Insurance picked it up. They changed it out. Got everything all situated. Hey, every time they do this, they're retensioning the belt, making sure that everything's good, making sure the back brakes are good. As they get into this thing, don't you think that they're going to recommend if there's something wrong? So it's kind of nice. So far I'm getting all the maintenance performed on the Harley. Got the tire and wheel covered in case I get a flat. And the same thing with my Hayabusa. The only thing I don't have is a maintenance plan. They don't offer the maintenance plan on the Suzukis or any of the metric bikes. But they do offer tire and wheel, and that's paid for itself. The wife's 2008 Sporty, same thing. Yeah, we're probably, it's nostalgic. It's going to have its ups and downs, but that's one bike that you don't have to worry about. My son's Kawasaki ZX6R. He's already been through one back tire. It's just barely got 6,000 miles on it. Same thing with his Ninja 500 SC KRT. We've already been through one back tire with that. That's a 24. The ZX6 is a 25. The Hayabusa is a 23. And the Road Glide's a 24. So pretty much these are mostly new bikes that we should be able to ride at least 6,000 miles. The great thing about the Road Glide tire was I was about 66,000 plus miles. It was getting real close to wearing the tread down to the limit. I was going to have to replace it anyway. Boop, pick up a screw, problem solved. Long story short, I believe it's worth it to get this tire and wheel coverage. I knew one guy who hit a pothole, damaged his rim and his tire. They covered both of them. No questions asked. Insurance on that. I do not remember what I paid for the tire and wheel on the Harley. I think it was a little bit more than what I did on the Suzuki. But long story short, 2-3 tires within that time frame, you've paid for itself. And it's professionally installed, balanced, everything. And I don't have to deal with it. All I got to do is take it up to Harley. Take it up to Plano, Kawasaki, Suzuki here in the DFW area. So, long story short, I am curious if you guys feel the same way. Tire wheel, extended warranty, maintenance. What do you guys do? Do you guys buy this stuff when you buy these bikes? Or do you say, no, I'm going to work on my own bike? And believe me, I am one of the world's worst about saying that. I'm going to work on my own bike. I do all of my work on all of my bikes. I do all the maintenance on the Suzuki. But when it comes to unexpected expenses, a tire when it's not time, right? Pick up a freaking nail or a screw or something, and you're not expecting to cover that tire. That can be quite expensive. Just the tire alone on the rear of this Hayabusa is $300. That's just the tire. That's not including the installation, balance, or anything. The front is $200. So that's 2 tires in the back, 1 in the front. That's $800 just for the rubber. I would venture to say that it's probably $1,200 or so with the labor to install, balance, blah, 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 all that good stuff for that bike over the span that I've had it under the tire and wheel coverage. So I'm only hitting about 30% of the real cost that I did have to finance into the note, but at 30% of the cost and not having out of pocket that money, I believe it's worth it. What do you guys think? I'm Ironhead. This is Dad's Garage HD. If you like the video, give me a like. If you want to see more, subscribe and hit the notification button for any videos in the future. And until next time, everybody, stay safe.